Good day all. You're all welcome today. This is step 28. So we'll be going through changing of this. You can see this is white. All these are white material. So we want to change it to some colors. Sometimes when you import some models in your drawing, you may not be able to change the materials like this. But it's advisable. Sometimes you go here, you see some materials you can change. You can do that. And sometimes you look through here and see if there's a way to change material. But it's always good to import those the kind of materials, the kind of model you can change some material, because you may want to change the color, the material, maybe as this is glass, I may want to change it to plastic or so. So it's important. You check the material you are importing. Like this, let's check this out. Well, with this, you can change materials here. Look at the wood, the plates, the metal, the fabric. Let's go to the fabric and see what you can do about it. We are here. This is what you got. So I think let's change the material. We go to appearance, check for fabric. Okay, look at fabric. We go to leather. So you check the material you want. You can change it to any color here. I think you can even import some colors too. Let's see. Here too, you can also import your own color. If you have any color, if you have any material color you want to change, you can also import it, and change it the way you feel. You can go through all those methods. So it just depends on you, depends on what you want. Just go for what you want. So it's necessary let's leave this material the way it is now. I love this one. You can also increase it if you want to. You can increase it. You can darken it. Let's go to try. Let's make it try. Let's make it 45. Let's see. Let's change. We have changed the material. Let's see the material. So the split, the metal split, you can also go there and change it. Change the color, but I love this color, it's okay. You can change it if you wish to. The wood too. You can change it if you wish to. But I love this, it's okay for me. There you go here. So this, let's see how we can change the material of this too. So I've gone here. I've not seen any way to change this material. But if you are using Lumia, I think you can change these materials to Lumia. Let's go to image and see what image is going. It's not. We're not getting anything reasonable. So I think we will leave this way because we are not seeing any way to change this material. So we'll leave it. So it's always important to import the things you can change. You can see with this you can't change anything. So thank you. Thank you for watching. And we are going to take our time to, you know, to landscape outside here, put our rules and the rest. So I'm giving you as an assignment to do that while I do mine. So in our next lesson, we will only go through some few things about it. But try and landscape outside. Do yours the way you feel is you can do it. So I'll be landscape then import some trees from sites you can bring in trees like Revit City. I will also do mine. The network is bad now, so when the network is good, I'll try and check some site and see if I can see some little trees and also do mine. Then when we come through the road, we see how we can do it so you get a better realistic view of the road, but you can landscape outside of this your building. So do that. It's an assignment. Thank you for watching.